Thank you. This one I also booked in Klook. So you can get either popcorn or ice cream. I think if you're going to buy this 35 Hong Kong dollars at ang isang popcorn. Mahal, no? Strawberry ice cream na may kagat na. Ano yung harap? Ay, yung likod. Chocolate. Ay, chocolate. May iba-ibang flavors doon. May chocolate, strawberry, tapos yung dalawang klase na kalimutan ko. Dito lang kami nakaupo lang kasi pagod na ang mga auntie and tito. Sarap naman. Masarap ng ice cream. You just bring your water bottle, tapos marami namang water station here sa Disneyland.
我係流浪貓肯，祝大家下市節快樂，一齊慶祝咯！反正他们那个小的健康的，他本来就是像很多孩子里面。
Frozen. Ganda. Mahaba ang pila pero it's fun and malamig. Aircon. Done with Frozen. Let's go to Toy Story naman. Ganda na place. Very blue. Finally, we're here at the Royal Banquet. Medyo early kami, 6 PM. Magdi-dinner na kami para may space pa. Royal pasta, and then the other is baked pork fries. And then for the drinks namin, Coke and Royal lang naman yan. Daming tao. Yan. At least nagkaroon kami ng chairs kasi ang hirap kanina pa makahanap ng chairs. Tapos yung nag-serve sa amin para siyang senior citizen from Malaysia. Tama ba? Malaysia. Tinanong niya kami kung from what country kami. Tapos sinasikasin niya kami malaman yung taga-Philippines kami. Anyway, ayun lang. Dinner time. Momentous time. Ang dami ng tao naghintay at nakapwesto. Nag-change shirts din kami para mag-freshen up. Ang feeling kasi grabe ang lagkit talaga. Init talaga. Pero okay lang. Yan, fresh na naman tayo. So, we're just waiting na mag-8 para mapanood yung fireworks. Ayan, nakapag-change na tayo. Habang hinihintay natin yung fireworks, maglakad-lakad ako ulit sa malapit dito sa Main Street. Titingnan ako kung ano pa ang pwedeng i-try, kainin or inumin. Si Claude na sa spot na namin. So, chocolate. tingin lang ako, hindi na ako bibili kasi medyo expensive siya. Isang box is $299. Bakery.
Thank you very much, young boy.
Tapos na yung mga mentos. Magpapaiwan kami siguro about 30 minutes to 1 hour kasi sobrang daming tao. And it was fun pero super tiring. Siguro dapat next time 2 days para at least masulit mo. And then I hope makasama ko yung family ko next visit ko. And I want to say thank you to Cozy. Thank you for taking time to see me. And many more years at Disney. And see you next time I visit. Thank you.